Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Blue Card Rust updated. Start by checking your server rules and eligibility, then collect the required items and currency. Next, locate trustworthy traders or in-game vendors and confirm trade terms before finalizing any exchange. Take screenshots of agreements and keep communication records in case of disputes. Finally, practice safe trading habits and prioritize official or well-reviewed sources for reliable availability and pricing. To find legitimate sources, prioritize official announcements and moderator-verified posts within communities. Join active Discord servers and subreddits where sellers are vetted and feedback is visible. Look for traders with consistent histories and many positive ratings, and cross-check offers with multiple sellers to confirm typical pricing. When possible, use platform escrow systems or meet in secure in-game zones to reduce risk. Trust your research over impulse purchases to protect your account and funds. Follow clear, safe trading steps to minimize loss and fraud during purchases. Always request escrow or a trusted middleman when trading high-value items, and verify the exact Blue Card Rust variant and any attached bonuses before committing. Capture screenshots of offers, agreed prices, and seller names, and log timestamps for reference. If something feels off, step away and reassess with community moderators or experienced traders to avoid irreversible mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.